Hi, this is Jing. Welcome to meditation. I would like to give you a short introduction. First, we want to talk about the purpose. Why we want to meditate. Why ask around? Usually our practitioners, they like to meditate because they want to quiet their mind, to get into an empty space, a time zone for themselves, into deep relaxation. And there are, of course, other purposes. But mainly, people want to be happy. Nowadays, when we search for happiness, usually we go outward. We go to cinema to watch movie, we go to concert to dance, to sing with our favorite singer. People do different activities, or we go out to meet our friends. But real happiness is something deep in. We can go out, we can search outward, but we got to learn to be happy with ourselves. How about the time you need your friend, but they are not available? How about the time when you sit in your meeting, you got to make a decision, you don't have piano beside you that you can play piano, quiet your mind to make a decision, or if you like to draw, to paint, you cannot. You're sitting in the meeting. What you have is only your body and your breath. We need that ability to find the quietness, the clear and right decision right here, right now. That is meditation skill. So I see if people really want to be happy, we have to learn the ability that without outward entertainment or outward help, to be happy and be clear, centered within ourselves. Once again, what we have is just our body and our breath. In a way, if you are practicing with us, the moving form of meditation, the moving forms, okay, there are situations you can't move. Once again, back to the situation like a meeting. Everybody's talking, discussing, and you say, sorry, I stand up, let me move a little. And people look at you so weird. You got that ability. Even you do the moving meditation, at end, it comes to a stillness. That's the training. So now, we're directly to the point. While we are not moving, while we are meditating, to contact deep in. And because inside is so quiet, that kind of frequency from your heart synchronize with people beside you, around you, even goes beyond. That frequency synchronize with the universe. It's like the time we get the sixth sense to get that kind of connection. Of course, go beyond that is a guidance toward deep, deep contentment. Some people call it enlightenment. And at the end, all different forms of meditation, the moving forms, the non-moving forms, is meditation for real life. Like now, we are here outside for meditation. It is nice to hear the bird, but sometimes do you realize there will be airplane passing by, there will be cars passing by. Our sound team, they hear that. Actually, while I'm talking, I don't really hear this because I'm totally with my heart, with you together. I'm entering a state. Maybe in reality there are that kind of sound. What do I mean I don't hear them? Of course, like now, cars passing by, I hear them. But they don't disturb me. They don't disturb this quiet and joyful state. So this is what we want. Meditation for real life. You get every day some kind of disturbance, but you are not affected by other things. If you want peace, you want joy, you have it.